Hello, good morning, student friends. How are you? Now, I would like to give you a brief account about two short stories. One is Pepe, written by Maxim Gorky, and another one is My Greatest Olympic Prize, written by Jesse Owens. At first, I would like to discuss about or to give an account about the short story Pepe, written by Maxim Gorky. Maxim Gorky is a well known poet and a short story writer in Soviet Russia. He was born and brought up in a poor family, though gained much knowledge of life. Really, life taught him good lessons. Gorky was much interested in literature. Hence, he wrote many stories, novels, and also criticisms. And finally, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for his contribution to the literature. Pepe is one of the interesting short stories written by Maxim Gorky. In the story, the writer Maxim Gorky has given a beautiful appreciation about the Italian working class people. The life and suffering of the working class people are told through the character of Pepe. Accordingly, Pepe was a small boy. He was born in a poor family. He was very weak and frail physically, but very quick like lizard in thinking of the life. Pepe, a poor boy, leads his life as a fruit seller. Especially, he moves from place to place and door to door selling apples. Indeed, as a fruit seller, he receives comments from the passers-by and by the onlookers, but also receives appreciation as by the people. Some who call him as an anarchist, but some who call him as a poet, because his different attitudes of the different people make him to be so. During his lifetime, Pepe is influenced by all incidents, things and scene of the landscape. He finds beauty in flowers, plants and trees. He shares his feelings with his playmates about the different people of different nations. In this story, Pepe has talked about Germans, Englishmen, and Americans. He has noticed some strange attitudes and feelings in them. He has found some merits and limitations in them. As a good observer of life, Pepe, the fruit seller, shares ideas of life. He hears everything and forgets nothing. His comments on the buyers of fruits are noteworthy here. He often comments even of his own sister. He mocks at her neatness and charming personality. This kind of attitude show his comic nature as well as his thinking as well as his knowledge of the real life. At the end of the story, the writer Maxim Gorky comes to a conclusion that everybody can comment but nobody can understand. This is the way of the world. I repeat the same. Everybody can comment or anybody can comment but nobody can understand. This is the way of the world. Thus, in the story, the writer has completed the essay, and he has compared and contrasted the attitudes of the affluent and the poor like Pepe. The second short story is about Jesse Owens' My Greatest Olympic Prize. My greatest Olympic prize is a story of love and friendship. Is an interesting and a meaningful essay. In this essay, the writer Jesse Owens himself is the narrator. He has given a beautiful appreciation about the importance of love and friendship in one's own life. Jesse Owens was one of the African American athletes. He had an ambition to participate in the Olympic Games in Germany and also dreamed to win the Olympic prize. Therefore, he too participated in the game of long jump. In those days, Adolf Hitler was the leader of the Nazi Germany. He wanted to use the 1936 Berlin Olympic Games to show the supremacy of the German race to the whole world and had chosen the best athletes of his country to fulfill his dream. Among the participated athletes, Luz Lang was one of the capable athletes who was able to defy the racial arrogance of the Hitler, and at the same time he lent the moral and spiritual support to Jesse Owens to win the gold medal in the long jump. Indeed, Jesse Owens was a Negro. He was disturbed by disturbed he was disturbed. He could not qualify in the first two attempts and committed some mistakes. At that time, Luz Lang, as a man of sportive spirit and a good human being, lent his moral and spiritual support to Jesse Owens. All through the competition, Luz Lang encouraged and motivated to be courageous and confident to face the challenges, exploitation, and humiliation. His timely suggestions and friendly support made Jesse Owens to be more confident to overcome the discrimination and to win the gold medal in the Berlin Olympic Games. At the end of the essay, we can understand a fact that the greatest Olympic prize of Jesse Owens is not only the four gold medals, but the greatest medals are only the true friendship and love received by Luz Lang. Thus, in this essay, Luz Lang has appeared as an embodiment of friendship and love of Jesse Owens in defiling the racial arrogance of the German leader Adolf Hitler. Thank you.